Sun, Sand, and Celebrations, your guide to the Caribbean in December 2024. Hey everybody, and welcome to Chat Jamaican. We're bringing you good vibes and insider tips for your next Caribbean adventure. Now, who's dreaming of a winter escape? Imagine this. Trading snow boots for sandals, swapping out the winter chill for warm ocean breezes, and saying goodbye to holiday stress. Yeah, man, sounds good, right? Well, get ready because in this video, we're diving deep into the best Caribbean destinations for your December 2024 getaway. We're talking about picture-perfect beaches, luxurious resorts where you can pamper yourself, and exciting ecotourism spots for the adventurers at heart. And hold on tight because we're not stopping there. We're also going to spice things up with the hottest local events, markets, and festivals happening across the islands this holiday season. So, grab your sunglasses, slather on that sunscreen, and let's get started. Paradise Found. Unveiling the Caribbean's top winter escapes. First up, let's talk about the crown jewels of the Caribbean, the islands that are calling your name. We're starting with a classic, the Bahamas. Imagine waking up to pink sand beaches and turquoise water sparkling in the sun. The Bahamas is home to luxurious resorts perfect for ultimate relaxation. Lounge by infinity pools, sip tropical cocktails, and enjoy world-class dining. The Bahamas is also a haven for water lovers. Dive into vibrant coral reefs, try water sports, or soak up the sun. Explore the Exuma Cays and swim with friendly pigs. Now let's jet over to Jamaica, my homeland. Jamaica is bursting with life, rhythm, and soul. It's the birthplace of reggae music pulsating through every corner. For an authentic experience, head to Negro's 7 Mile Beach. Picture white sand, beach bars playing reggae, and the aroma of jerk chicken. Trust me, there's no place like it. Jamaica is also a haven for nature lovers. Hike through rainforests, discover waterfalls, and explore the Blue Mountains. Next, we're heading to the Dominican Republic, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes. Punta Cana, with its palm-fringed beaches and crystal-clear waters, is a dream destination. Imagine kite surfing across the waves. Pure exhilaration. The Dominican Republic is also a history buff's paradise. Step back in time in Santo Domingo, the oldest European city in the Americas. Head to the Samana Peninsula to witness humpback whales breaching. Unforgettable. The Caribbean is also about preserving natural beauty for generations. Dominica, the nature island, leads in sustainable tourism. Dominica is a hiker's paradise with rainforests, waterfalls, and volcanic landscapes. Trek through rainforests surrounded by vibrant flora and fauna. Don't miss the boiling lake, a natural wonder. The Caribbean's ecotourism gems don't stop there. Explore the bioluminescent bay in Vieques, Puerto Rico, or dive into the Great Blue Hole in Belize, a diver's paradise. From the Bahamas to Jamaica, the Dominican Republic to Dominica, the Caribbean offers diverse destinations. Whether you're seeking luxury, adventure, or nature, these islands have something for everyone. Feel the rhythm unforgettable Caribbean festivals in December 2024. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of the Caribbean. The vibrant culture, the infectious music, and the celebrations that will make your December holiday truly unforgettable. Get ready to immerse yourself in a world of colorful costumes, pulsating rhythms, and traditions passed down through generations. We're kicking things off in the Bahamas with Junkanoo, a high-energy street parade that's a feast for the senses. Imagine yourself surrounded by elaborately costumed dancers, moving to the beat of goatskin drums, cowbells, and whistles. The energy is electric, the costumes are dazzling, and the music will stay with you long after the parade has ended. Junkanoo is a celebration of Bahamian culture and heritage, a time for the community to come together and express their creativity and joy. It's a spectacle you won't want to miss. The main parades take place in Nassau on Boxing Day, December 26th, and New Year's Day, but you'll find Junkanoo celebrations happening throughout the islands in the lead up to Christmas. Next, we're heading to St. Kitts and Nevis, where the carnival festivities are in full swing throughout December. Imagine yourself swept up in a whirlwind of colorful costumes, soca music, and vibrant street parades. St. Kitts and Nevis Carnival is a celebration of life, freedom, and Caribbean culture. From calypso competitions to beauty pageants, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And don't miss the Jour Vert morning celebrations, which start before dawn and involve revelers covering themselves in paint, mud, or chocolate while dancing through the streets. It's a messy but exhilarating experience. Now let's head over to Puerto Rico, where the Christmas season is a magical time of year. From mid-November to early January, the island comes alive with festive decorations, traditional music, and delicious food. One of the highlights of the Puerto Rican Christmas season is the Festival de Máscaras de Hatillo, a unique celebration that takes place on December 28th. Imagine yourself surrounded by elaborately costumed characters known as vegigantes, who wear colorful masks and capes and roam the streets, playfully chasing people with inflated cow bladders. It's a fun and quirky tradition that's sure to bring a smile to your face, and no Caribbean Christmas celebration would be complete without mentioning the food. Indulge in traditional dishes like pastels, savory, meat-filled pastries wrapped in banana leaves, or lechon asado, slow-roasted pork that's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And don't forget to try coquito, the Puerto Rican version of eggnog, made with coconut milk, rum, and spices. It's the perfect way to warm up on a cool December evening. But the festive fun doesn't stop there. Throughout the Caribbean, you'll find local craft markets popping up in December, offering a chance to find unique souvenirs and gifts for your loved ones back home. From handmade jewelry to colorful artwork, there's something for everyone to discover. And if you're looking for a truly unique Caribbean Christmas experience, head to Trinidad and Tobago for parang, a traditional form of Christmas music that blends Spanish and African influences. Imagine yourself listening to the sweet sounds of guitars, violins, and maracas while singers tell stories of the Nativity and the Christmas season. It's a beautiful and soulful tradition that will warm your heart. Your Caribbean adventure awaits. So, there you have it, folks. From stunning beaches and luxurious resorts to vibrant festivals and cultural experiences, the Caribbean has something for everyone this December 2024. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a chance to immerse yourself in the warmth and spirit of the islands, your perfect Caribbean getaway awaits. We've explored some of the top destinations, from the Bahamas to Jamaica, the Dominican Republic to Dominica, and beyond. We've delved into the heart of Caribbean culture, experiencing the energy of Junkanoo, the vibrancy of St. Kitts and Nevis Carnival, and the magic of the Puerto Rican Christmas season. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you plan the perfect Caribbean holiday getaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides.